Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, Shiba Inu whales are buying SHIB, but is the whale pressure enough for a bull run? Shiba Inu recovery back above the 010 price level is an important sign that it has experienced significantly strong demand. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. This is especially the case after bottoming out slightly below 080 in June. But should investors be buying considering the latest outcome? SHIB's current price floor is a good sign that there is strong demand at that level. However, it does not necessarily guarantee that prices will not drop. Fortunately, there are other aspects to consider that build a strong case for buyers. For example, Shiba Inu's supply continues to diminish thanks to token burns. Roughly 56 million Shiba Inu tokens were burnt in the last 24 hours alone according to shibburn.com. It currently has a 29.58% burn rate, which means its supply is gradually reducing. This will compound over time, and a lower circulating supply will contribute to SHIB's long-term value. Navigating short-term headwinds. While Shiba Inu's long-term outlook remains firm, short-term volatility means there is more volatility. Looking at the price chart may present some conflicting information. For example, the price has seen some upside and so has the Relative Strength Index, RSI, but the Money Flow Index, MFI, indicates significant outflows in the last few days. One might conclude that whales have been making a profit after the uptick since mid-June. A look at some on-chain metrics may help arrive at a similar conclusion. The supply held by whales metric suggests that whales have been selling in the last 5 days. A notable uptick in the whale transaction count metric confirms that SHIB whales have been active in the last few days. However, the observations are not consistent with major sell-offs by whales. In fact, the supply distribution by the balance on addresses confirms that different whale classes have been accumulating. Addresses holding more than 10 million SHIB coins remained relatively constant in the last 30 days. This confirms that they have not been selling, hence contributing to its ability to maintain above the 010 price level. Addresses holding between 1 million and 10 million coins increased their holdings significantly from 0.196% on the 3rd of July to 0.197% by the 9th of July. David Gokhshtein sort of supports Shiba Inu. Former US politician and presently a founder of Gokhshtein Media David Gokhshtein has taken to Twitter to remind the community that he is not too keen on SHIB and is not following the craze surrounding this meme coin on Twitter. However, he believes this project has the right to exist, calling it just different from other crypto projects. Besides, he is certain that its dev team is doing their best to build their own ecosystem. Earlier, it was reported that SHIB developers are now busy building and allegedly plan to release soon the main financial components of the ecosystem: Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain, SHI stablecoin and SHIB FE, the Shibarium financial ecosystem. World-renowned Elliott Wave practitioner Constance Brown once said that placing an invalidation below wave A of a triangle is a safer bet. Doing so will save traders from hours of analysis paralysis, questioning whether or not to enter the market. Instead, traders can hope these bullish signals witnessed for the Shiba Inu price are genuine and take a conservative risk. If you are scared to place an entry, you are probably risking too much. A wise trader invalidation of the bullish thesis is wave A at 925. If the 925 level is breached, the trade setup will be an honorable loss. The bears will likely take control and target 800, resulting in a 27% decrease from the current Shiba Inu price. Major ETH whale accumulates whopping 1 trillion Shiba Inu, worth $11 million in 24 hours. Key Ethereum investor named Gimli scooped up an astounding amount of Shiba Inu in the past 24 hours. Shiba Inu makes it to the list of top 10 most traded tokens among the 2,000 biggest ETH whales in the last 24 hours, as the 227th biggest ETH whale has purchased a whopping total of 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens. According to Whale Stats, the 227th biggest ETH whale, titled Gimli, has bought a whopping total of 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, worth $11.19 million, through four separate transactions. All 4 transactions were of an equal amount, but in less than 10 months, these same tokens would rocket as high as 8,841. Visually, It might be difficult to tell the difference between these two tiny numbers, but between January 1st and October 27th of 2021, Shiba Inu ate up 6 zeros after its decimal point and delivered a peak intra-year gain of around 121 million%. In other words, an investment of $1 at midnight on January 1st, 2021 could have made a patient, lucky investor a millionaire. When the curtain closed on 2021, SHIB tokens gained in the neighborhood of 46 million%. It's a far cry from 121 million%, but it's likely the biggest single-year gain we may ever witness from an investment perspective. As I've previously pointed out, Shiba Inu's historic run was primarily a function of increased visibility and crypto market dynamics. In terms of the former, SHIB benefited immensely from being listed on numerous new exchanges last year. Additionally, the launch of decentralized exchange ShibaSwap in July 2021 helped to improve liquidity and allowed holders to stake their coins. Since October, the median hold period of SHIB on crypto exchange Coinbase has soared from 6 days to 101 days. As for crypto market dynamics, investors should understand that it's a lot easier to purchase derivatives, e.g., put options, on, or short sell, a publicly traded stock than it is to bet against a high-flying but lesser-known digital currency. With minimal avenues to bet against cryptocurrencies not named Bitcoin, an inherent buy bias helped Shiba Inu. Can Shiba Inu hit $1 by mid-decade? With Shiba Inu absolutely crushing it last year, its holders and social media supporters are hoping for an encore performance. In fact, some even believe it could eventually make a run to $1 per token. The big question is, can Shiba Inu reach $1, perhaps by the midpoint of the decade? Before I dive into my view, let's examine the multiple catalysts that would be needed to push SHIB from microscopic fractions of a penny to parity with the US dollar by 2025. To begin with, the public launch of Layer 2 blockchain solution Shibarium needs to occur sooner than later and go off without a hitch. SHIB appears to have formed an ascending triangle formation over the past few weeks. Such formations often precede bullish breakouts. For SHIB, that would mean a decisive push above 012 resistance. Granted, the pair would quickly face resistance in the form of the late May highs between 125 and 013. But were it able to clear these levels, the door would be open to a run all the way higher to the 017 area. There is very little by way of significant resistance to stop such a move. SHIB currently has the largest ownership among ETH whales with $568.82 million in tokens. SHIB Doge is next in line with the ETH whales holding tokens that are valued at $433.23 million. Although SHIB Doge is still a relatively small meme coin, many believe the increase in accumulation of the token is because of its burn and NFT exposure. In some related news, BSC whales have been stocking up significantly on Doge. A BNB whale known as Martain Manhunter bought about 18.8 million Doge tokens on June 4. It is expected that this accumulation increase in Doge was caused by Elon Musk's reiteration of his support for the meme coin. Down 70%, will this popular crypto bounce back before 2023? Shiba Inu stole the spotlight with an enormous gain last year. Shiba Inu, 5.00%, wowed investors last year with its 45 million% gain over the course of 2021. But this year, the popular meme token hasn't taken the same path. Shiba Inu declined 70% in the first half of the year. The reason? There are many. Concerns about the economy have weighed on riskier assets, and this includes the cryptocurrency market. Investors also worried about Shiba Inu's ability to stand out from other rivals and justify big gains. Now, with 6 months left in the year, could Shiba Inu bounce back? Let's find out. The power of the SHIB army first. Let's look at why Shiba Inu soared last year. A lot of credit should be given to the SHIB army. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.